Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these wonderful little chocolates that are great gifts for your family for Christmas, but that are also great if you want to enjoy them yourself. So let's get into it. You want to start off by melting some dark chocolate and some butter above some water like that, and you want to make sure none of the water gets into your melting mixture because that will destroy the texture. In a bowl you want to crumble up some cookies or some leftover cake or something like that, and you want to make sure that this is quite finely melted. Then you want to add your, I forgot what it's called, the coconut. And then when the chocolate mixture is completely melted, you are ready to pour that into it as well. Now you're ready to start mixing, so mix that together. Then you want to also add in your rum, but any other alcohol works too, like anything that is similar to rum will work. And then you want to add in a little bit of powdered sugar as well and some vanilla extract for some flavor, and mix until it is completely combined. Now you want to go ahead, when this mixture is done, to form little balls of that, little round thingies. And then you want to put them in the fridge and let them cool down. And when they have cooled down a little bit, you want to take some powdered sugar and some cocoa powder, and you just want to roll them around in there so they're completely covered from all sides, and then they are done and you're ready to wrap them up as a gift or enjoy them yourself, whatever suits you best. So I hope you give them a try. They're very easy and just such a great homemade gift, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!